Imagine you have projects involving material fabrication, surface finishing, polishing, burnishing, or other related tasks. Then the angle grinder is the boy you're looking for. So in today's video, we'll show you the 10 amazing angle grinder attachments with multi-purpose working capacity and high-end durability. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with our list.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Are you annoyed by your paint rust and oxidation? Then grab this SATC strip disc set and get rid of those unwanted guests effectively. A lifelong solution for the fastest grinding on a wide variety of materials. Made of silicon carbide, this stripping wheel set outshines itself as the industry's best product and provides a lifelong service. Plus, the nylon web fibers with an extra coarse abrasive ensure longer life than the standard black clean and strip discs. You can use this 4.5 by 7/8 inch paint stripper to remove rust, paint, scaling, and more from your different surfaces like wood, metal, concrete, and others. Moreover, these SATC grinding wheels fit perfectly with all the 4.5 inch angle grinders and let you remove paint and undercoating in the most convenient way that you can have. Do you have a car or bike that needs to be polished regularly? Then don't forget to keep these SPTA wool polishing pads on your stock, as they'll help you get a better polishing effect on your every surface. Made of 100% natural wool hook with elastic and pure natural materials, these polishing pads are environmentally friendly and never leave a single floating hair when used. You can use them with all the standard pneumatic, electric grinding machines. Besides, the polishing liquid, paste, and powder will offer you an enhanced polishing experience throughout the whole job. These wool pads are washable and can be used repeatedly to oxidize paint, remove marks, scratches, and so many more. Providing a simple and faster polishing service than foam pads, these SPTA wool pads offer high-end durability and perfect performance in all the scratches removing and oxidation. A multi-cutting blade assists you like the way an all-rounder assists in the cricket field. Now say hello to the TOVIA Carbide multi-cutting disc, an ultra-thin blade that brings the sharpest cuts on a wide range of materials. Constructed of tungsten carbide and high-strength alloy steel, it offers you more stability and safety to quickly achieve the fastest cutting. This multi-purpose blade can be used to cut wood with nails, plastic, laminate, wall tiles, and many more materials while perfectly getting attached to any lithium-ion angle grinder. With the ultra-thin substrate design of only 1.2 millimeters thickness, it prevents cutting resistance and increases the sharpness for fast cutting with a small cutting gap. To provide high-end cutting speed and avoid blade deformation, this multi-disc comes with a cutting line groove design, while the round hole edge design improves dust removal effect and heat dissipation. From all the cutting tasks to groovings and shapings, this TOVIA multi-purpose blade will help you out in every possible way that it can be used. Transfer your angle grinder into a burnishing machine with the Jectse polishing attachment, a multi-purpose toolkit that makes your burnishing jobs as easy as ABC. With a solid protective cover and practical shaft, this grinder attachment lets you operate with high stability and accuracy, offering the smoothest burnishing surface every time. Plus, you can use this multi-polishing attachment to get an easy and fast way for all your wood, metal, and stainless steel burnishing and grinding. Offering strict quality assurance and high safety factors, this polishing kit ensures ultimate dependability for all your surface polishing with peace of mind. Shortly speaking, from a professional to DIYer, everyone who's meeting with burnishing and polishing tasks regularly should check out this Jectse polishing attachment at least once. If you're up to do some freehand carving on your larger projects, no other kit stays by your side like the way Kutzall shaping disc does. An extreme shaping wheel that helps you take project after project with high efficiency. This shaping wheel has rugged tungsten carbide teeth that offer you improved durability and top-class material removal while being paired with a right-angle grinder. With superior versatility and productivity, it lets you cut through all the non-metallic materials like wood, plastic, fiberglass, rubber, and many more. Plus, it offers you super smooth control and standout wear life, making it highly reliable for taking any task at hand. In order to adjust uneven surfaces and level high spots, this Kutzall shaping wheel will get all your job done in just a few passes. Sanding is the ultimate way to bring even finish on different surfaces. Meet the SATC Angle Grinder Sanding Disc, the strongest and longest-lasting sanding kit that provides the safest outcomes in the category. Constructed of industrial-grade high-density premium zirconia material, this flap disc assures optimum durability over regular standard discs. This economical sanding disc has a fine crystal size with a robust fiberglass backing that effectively absorbs vibrations and ensures stable and effective operation. Apart from that, this set packs all the standard and popular size discs, which assist you to cut various metals and meets all your needs perfectly. These discs perfectly get attached to all the standard T29 angle grinders for metalworking to concrete grinding or wood finishing, while bringing smooth finishes and accurate rust removal. So add this SATC disc set to your assembly and keep yourself well going for all the sanding, grinding, and polishing tasks. Concrete grinding can be a crucial task without the right wheel in hand. Here comes the SUNJOYCO concrete grinding wheel, a durable angle grinder attachment for fast cutting action on masonry, stone, and concrete. Having a high diamond concentration and heat-treated steel body, this concrete wheel ensures a long wheel life and aggressive material removal. These wheels feature an air holes design that maintains the cutting patterns and prevents wear while coming in the most demanding sizes for pairing with all standard angle grinders. You can use this 4-in-1 diamond wheel for dry or wet grinding of concrete, masonry, stone, marble, and more construction materials to bring the smoothest finishing on uneven surfaces. To sum it up, this SUNJOYCO concrete grinding wheel combines durability and efficiency perfectly and is highly recommended for all professional grinding and DIY jobs. Check out the Forney 72757. It's an ideal wire cut brush for handling tough removal tasks of rust, weld scale, burrs, and others. Made of quality steel, this wire-knotted cut brush is an absolute reliable solution for all metalworking needs and is specially manufactured to be applied on large surfaces. This tool performs its level best when working with a right-angle grinder at up to 12,500 revolutions per minute of speed, allowing you to remove hard weld scale, rust, spatter, and all. In short, if you have larger surfaces and needs to be rust removed, then you should definitely invest in this Forney 72757, which will be worth every penny. Next up, we have the GoYonder Diamond Saw Blade, a universal solution for professional wet and dry cutting capacity of practical home improvement projects or construction work. This diamond saw blade comes with an X-teeth design to provide you with the fastest and smoothest cuts on your every material while maintaining productivity. The super thin porcelain saw blade has free chips for efficient cutting on individual surfaces like porcelain, ceramic, tile, etc. Coming with the most popular size blades, this set is suitable for most tile saws and handheld angle grinders, meeting all the tough and hard situations at the job site. Instead of following the conventional way of removing rust and debris, pick up your GoYonder diamond saw blade and get yourself the best outcomes from every project. Finally, at number 1, meet the GRAFF SPEEDCUTTER wood carving disc, an all-in-one angle grinder attachment made of quality materials to cut all non-metal materials. Manufactured with qualitative instrumental steel, tungsten carbide teeth, and laser sharpening, this carving disc provides the ultimate level of cutting. Having a special construction structure, this blade creates a reasonable radial resistance value, eliminating overheating issues after continuous operations. Concerning the safety measurements, it comes with a unique form where the disc's body provides no kickback, meaning you can complete tasks with more safety than the other simple saw blades. Moreover, this GRAFF wood carving disc is certified by MPA Hanover and prioritizes safety with efficiency, making itself a must-have angle grinding attachment to own. So that was the list of the 10 amazing angle grinder attachments just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Go ahead and like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.